Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This is about identity. So we have x to the power of 3 minus 1. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x to the power of 3, we have 3x squared. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Later that we divide both sides by number 3 because we don't have number 3 in here. So this one we change by u. S squared dx we change by this one. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.